Hey guys, it's Salvan. Today I'm sharing my recipe for making simple, tasty egg rolls. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and let's get started. The egg rolls ingredients you need are 2 spring roll wraps package. You can buy this at any Asian grocery store in the freezer section. Do not buy the wonton wraps. There is a huge difference in texture. 1 pound ground meat, that can be pork, turkey, or chicken. Do not use ground beef. 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 2 eggs, and on the side you'll have 1 egg beaten in a bowl for sealing the egg roll, 2 sprigs of green onions chopped up, half of a large onion chopped, 1 package of coleslaw mix, or you can put in 3 cups shredded cabbage and 1 cup shredded carrots. And lastly, about 2 cups vermicelli noodles. Soften up with hot water, then drain and cut into 2-inch lengths. This will make and serve about 35 to 40, depending on how much you put in your rolls. I'm using ground turkey today and will be using my mixer to mix it all up. I'm chopping up about 2 sprigs of green onions, so about 1/4 cup of it, I would say. And then I'll be adding in my coleslaw. Next are the noodles that I've already soaked and chopped up, adding in the soy sauce. And I'll be using half of the white onions here and chopping that up. Cracking my 2 eggs here. Add in the sugar. About 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce, black pepper, white pepper, and last is my chicken powder. And we're going to go ahead and mix this very well. I generally use pork since there's more flavor in that particular cut of meat. Some people like ground chicken, or you can make this all vegan too. As to the vegetables, you can use taro or Woodear mushrooms. I'll be using a brush for the beaten egg. This helps seal the egg rolls when it's cooking. I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of the mix and putting that towards the bottom of my wrap. Spread it across a little bit. Fold the first wrap to the midsection of the wrap. Then roll it tightly to the middle about 2 times, then fold in the sides and roll it up tightly. I generally will have some of my wraps pulled apart and then cover it to prevent it from drying out. You can see again in slow motion the rolling process. The key is to keep it tightly wrapped. You can make it long or you can make it short. I love making this for potlucks, and it's definitely a crowd pleaser. I've actually did a fundraiser making this and it sold out in less than 2 hours. It's great finger food to serve and so delicious. To prevent drying of your egg rolls, cover them while waiting for your fryer to heat up. I have my deep fryer set at about 360 degrees. Yours may vary. I generally check the temperature by sticking one in and seeing if it sizzles or not. Go ahead and load up your fryer, but don't overload them. Fry until golden brown, generally about 5 minutes for each batch. I set them on paper towels to help drain the grease. Serve it up with your favorite sweet and sour dipping sauce. It's even good on its own and is a great finger food. And there you go, fresh delicious egg rolls. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and share this with your family and friends. To see when I upload new videos, please subscribe to the channel. Kopjai. Thank you. Until next time.